So yeah, I agree that it seems the hardest part seems to be to say how do we colonize a solar system, and then yeah, it's a just repeating that process. Sounds like that's the a viable timeline. So yeah, what do you think are some of the major things we need to figure out to get to that stage from where we are now here in reality?
Yeah, so the immediate milestones and risk points I think are really interesting to look at. Like one of the first milestones, or like one of the few milestones you can look at, is like getting a base on the moon is insanely practical, right? Like you're already in space, the gravity is way lower, launching rockets from there is so much more chill than from Earth, right? So that's an insane achievement. Same as having the same thing on Mars, right? Where you start doing those things. You can argue, well, are space elevators viable, right? Like these, where you have basically a Trabant that is rotating with you around with a fixed connection, right, in a geostationary orbit. And it's literally an elevator that takes things up into space, right? That would reduce the cost, right? So one thing is reducing the cost of getting things into orbit more and more and more. And then also finding ways that you can, when you're out of Earth, like produce those necessary things like rocket fuel mainly, and then metals to build out your fleet and exploration foundation.